to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through everything from No Boundaries, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Boundaries also has this slack kind of pant. So this one has that side zipper, seam detailing going through, the little slit at the bottom, and then that same fit through the back. This one comes in the black. I also shared it in like a light kind of ivory beige color, and they're $14.98. Next to that, these are a flare pant. So this one has that side buckle, the zipper, it says mid-rise flare, has that seam detailing, the flare at the bottom. That same fit through the back in the solid black, also comes in the black and white stripe, and they're going to be $14.98. No Boundaries has a faux leather skirt. So this one has that side zipper, the little slit, seam detailing in the back in the black, also comes in the brown, and they're going to be $12.98. Here are those pants in the ivory that I showed you. It's like a light kind of beige. And then right next to that is this cargo skirt. So this one has the pork chop style pocket, side pocket, that raw hem, the pockets on the back. This one also comes in a green, and they're going to be $12.98. Peak item from No Boundaries. So this one has that smaller collar, the zip, shorter sleeve, nice and fitted through the bag. It's completely ribbed. Same fit through the back in the brown stripe. There's the green stripe. There's black and gray, and red, black and white, and they're going to be $14.98. The other top I really love is this lace kind of floral tee. So it is sheer. I just layer it with the same color tank. Has that higher neckline, the lettuce trim at the bottom. That same fit through the back in this burgundy red, also in the white. There's green and black, and they're $9.98. Mom jeans from No Boundaries. So these look like they're high-waisted. They have the rips at the knee, raw hem at the bottom, and then pockets in the back. In this light kind of acid wash chambray, also the mid-tone, and they're going to be $17.98. A new sneak peek item, denim skirt from No Boundaries. So these have that side pocket, the little flat pocket, slit in the middle, and then pockets on the back. In this mid-tone also comes in the solid black denim. This one's a 21. So we're going to go up to, looks like size 21, and these are $15.98. The wrap style dress from No Boundaries. So this one has that thicker strap, squared neckline, nice and stretchy, has this ring detail, and then length in the back with the seam. In this black and red floral, also comes in the green floral. There's the rust and that baby blue, and they're $16.98. I think this dress is so pretty if you have any fall events. So it has the thin strap, that wrap style top, the little tier, longer in the back. Also ties with this elastic going all the way around. In this yellow floral, how pretty with the blue. This mint, there's the black floral and the white, and they're $16.98. This textured vest from No Boundaries. These have that V neckline, the nice pearled buttons of ribbing at the bottom. I think we saw the matching skirt. So these are going to be $12.98 in the beige, and it also comes in black. I love these crop flannels from No Boundaries. The quality is so nice on them. Super soft fleece hood, has the tortoise buttons, the two pockets, scoops in the middle, button detail on the wrist, seam in the back in the pink, also comes in this green. I know there's a few other color options, and they're going to be $14.98. Another one that I have and I really love. So this is a nice kind of soft sweater material. It is cropped, so size up if you want some length. Scoops at the middle, and then it has the little tie with this hood in the back. In the black, also comes in the beige, and they're going to be $13.48. Also seeing the No Boundaries skinny jeans. So these are high-waisted, fitted through the leg. There's some fading, a little bit of fading in the back. These are $14.98. And then also come in this option, the rips, and then also the darker indigo with the rips. Boundaries lace-up jeans. So these have that whiskering pockets, fitted through the leg, flared at the bottom. They're $17.98. These cargo pants from No Boundaries. So these are high-waisted. They have the pork chop pocket, also the side pocket, nice and wide. It says it's a mid-rise. The pockets in the back in the black, also comes in the green. And they're $17.98. Vintage wash tees from No Boundaries. So these have that scoop neckline, the lace-up detail, seam fit through the back. In the men also comes in pink, this rust, and the black, and they're $9.98. Sneak peek item. So these are flare jeans from No Boundaries. I love this stitch detailing. There's fading. It looks like it's a lower rise. So mid-rise boot cut. Comes in the dark indigo. There's also a mid-tone, and they're $17.98. Super soft chenille cardigans from No Boundaries. So these have this diamond kind of detailing, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbing on the pockets, and then also at the bottom. Really nice and long. This one is the 3XL. So that's the extra small. So still good length on it. In the beige also comes in green. There's black and camel, and they're going to be $18.98. So these first tops, I love them. I shared them in a haul and a few shop with me videos. They have that V-neck line. It's sheer through the sleeve, has this little tie detail, seam detailing. It's completely lined, and then that same fit through the back. Comes in the black, also pink. There's that beige color. It looks like the ivory's on sale in store. And then there's like a taupe color, and they're $10.98. Lace trim tops from No Boundaries. This one has the thinner straps, that V neckline with the tie detail. Fitted through the body, squared in the back, in the white. Also comes in beige, and there's pink. These are $10.98. And right next to that is this little satin cami from No Boundaries. So they have the thin strap, that lace trim. It's a nice kind of stretchy fabric. Squared in the back in the pink. There's also ivory, green, and black, and they're $7.98. These skirts from No Boundaries. So these are nice and stretchy. It has that little slit. Also the belt with the elastic going around the back. In the gray, also comes in black. They're going to be $12.98. They also brought back these striped hooded cardigans from No Boundaries. So these have that ribbed wrist. It kind of rounds at the bottom, and then hood in the back. In the beige and white stripe, there's the gray and black, a rust option. This one's new. And then the beige, black, and green. These are $18.98. V-neck sweaters from No Boundaries. So these have that V neckline. It's a super soft chenille drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbing at the bottom, ribbed through the back, in the white and pink, and they're $14.98. Also have these printed sweaters. So they have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the kind of like fraying, has that fraying at the bottom, in the pink and black skeleton. There's also the blue with the yin and yang, the green mushroom, and the black sun and moon, and these are $14.98. Lace trim faux button top. So these are ribbed and stretchy. It has that lace trim detailing, the lace trim at the bottom, fitted through the front and the back, and the cream color also in that pink. There's a few other color options, and they're $10.98. New top and pant set from No Boundaries. So this one has this smaller collar. It's a zip front, nice length through the front and the back. This is the large. Pants look like they're high-waisted, nice and wide. I love this set. It's so cute, super soft, but you can dress it up or down. In the burgundy, green, there's beige, and the black, and they're going to be $19.98. You guys asked me about this top. Hopefully they added it to the website. So it has this smaller collar, the full buttons, this little drawstring detail, button detail on the wrist, in the white, also in the green. This is the color I picked it up in. The pink and the black, and they're $12.98. It's from No Boundaries. So these have that plunging V. It's a textured material, scoops in the middle, also in the back, and this rust also comes in beige. They're going to be $8.98. Cute are these new sets from No Boundaries. So this is that pleated material. It has the smaller collar, V neckline, Nice and relaxed fit. This is the medium. That same fit through the back. And the pink also comes in black. They're only $12.98. And the matching pants have that elastic waistband. Nice and flowy in both of those same colors. And they're also $12.98. More of the skinny jeans. So they also have black, the mid-tone, the light chambray. And then this is the cargo pants we saw. These ruched pants we've seen before, but they are low rise. They have this ruched detailing. It's fitted through the leg, flared at the bottom. This one also comes in a denim option, and they're $14.98. Also pulled out the pullovers from last year, so just a little bit of small differences. Has that black pipe detailing, half zip, kangaroo pocket, this little toggle in the middle, the pipe detailing on the wrist, that same relaxed fit. Thankful they are the same price, so they're still going to be $10. In that purple also comes in camel. There's the ivory and then some really pretty plaid options or printed options. They have that plaid, the floral like Aztec. There's also the black and white sun and moon. And like I said, they're only $10. Sleeveless long sleeve tees from No Boundaries. So these have that plunging neckline. It's a shorter fit, also fitted through the wrist, same through the back. $7.98 in the white, black, pink, baby blue, and green. Crew neck sweater from No Boundaries. So this one has the ribbing around the neckline, that seam detailing, ribbed wrist, kind of like a balloon sleeve with the ribbed bottom, and it is a shorter fit. In this blue and black, there's the pink and black, green and black, and then just all black, and they're $16.98. Boundaries also has a new waffle tee. So these have that scoop neckline. It looks like it's fitted through the wrist. Really nice length on it, and they're really stretchy. In the green, black, white, pink, and purple, and they're $7.98. Boundaries sweatshirt. So these have that crew neckline. It's a French terry drop sleeve, that ribbed wrist ribbing at the bottom. In the green mushroom, also in the pink flower, and then there's a brown and the black. They're $15.98. Flowy tanks from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that V neckline, this little bow detail, flowy through the front and the back, and the burgundy also comes in mint. There's that multicolored kind of little patchwork print, and then there's a black floral, and they're going to be $10.98. Halter neck top from No Boundaries. This one has that drawstring, the crochet kind of trim through the front, the smocking at the bottom, ties in the back. In the black, there's rust, ivory, and they're $10.98. So the first thing I'm seeing is this jumpsuit from No Boundaries. It comes with the mock neck tapes, soft and stretchy underneath. It is a shorter fit, and then the thin strap, squared neckline, also has this belt, nice wide leg, and squared. In the brown plaid also comes in the black plaid, and they're going to be $16.98. Dress from No Boundaries. This one has that higher neckline. It's a microfiber material, has that little drawstring on the side, scoops down, same fit through the back. In the black and white newspaper, there's a camo and the solid black, and they're going to be $10. New oversized zip-up hoodies from No Boundaries. So these have that soft waist, really nice like zip front with the kangaroo pockets, ribbed wrists, hood in the back, and the gray also comes in the purple. They're $16.98. Pretty are these new halter neck tops from No Boundaries. So this is that pleated material, has the drawstring, nice and flowy, handkerchief bottom, ties in the back. In the green, also comes in pink, beige, and black, and they're going to be $7.98. Also new satin trim tank from No Boundaries. This one has the thin adjustable straps, padded cups fitted through the body, squared in the back. In the black, ivory, there's the green, how pretty is that green, and pink, and they're going to be $7.98. Cap sleeve dresses from No Boundaries. This one has that ruching squared neckline. These are faux buttons with the corset style seaming. It also has padded cups, and it's squared in the back with the smocking. In this gold floral, also comes in the black floral. There's green and pink, and they're $12.98. Another belted dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the smaller collar. It's buttoned until the waist, elastic, and then flowy short bite hem with that same fit through the back in the pink floral, also the white and blue. There's that green floral on there, $12.98. Ring dress was definitely a favorite this past month. So it has the thin strap, this ring detail. It's flowy, the padded cups, they can be removed with the smocky in the back. Comes in the white, also in black. There's pink. I think the fourth color was either green or blue, and they're $12.98. Also brought back the faux suede dress from No Boundaries. So I picked this one up last year. The brown was just a little darker, but they're so nice for the price. Thin strap, that V neckline has the seam detailing on the side, fitted through the front and then also squared in the back. These come in the brown, also in the black. They're only $12.98. Also seeing new puffer vest from No Boundaries. So these are super affordable. If you're interested in this, I suggest picking up if they have in your size, because they literally had these fully stocked the last time I was here. Now they're almost all gone. So they're mock neck when it zipped up all the way, completely quilted, a little bit more of a shorter fit with the side pocket. Also has that toggle on the inside so you can pull it in. The seam kind of fit through the back. So it comes in the black, also in the fuchsia. They're only $12.98. Western style boot from No Boundaries. These have that almond toe, the zipper on the inside, chunky heel, and they're going to be $24.98. So they come in the black with the silver, also this cognac with the gold, and then all silver, and they're $24.98. Combat style boot from No Boundaries. These have the rounded toe, chunky heel. They have the zipper on the inside. These are $27.98. It's from Madden NYC. So these boots from No Boundaries. So these have the ribbing, chunky heel, rounded toe, zipper on the inside in the black, beige. There's a new brown color, and they're $29.98. These boots are also from No Boundaries. They have that rounded toe, the zipper detail, all that grommet detailing with the zipper on the inside. And these are going to be $29.98. I also shared them in the beige. Boundaries plush slide. So these have that foam bottom, the double kind of band in the black, also in the pink. These are going to be $16.98. No Boundaries sneakers. So these have that rounded toe, slip on in the white, also in the black. These are $16. These have the rounded toe. It's a little bit of a platform in the pink, white, and black. They're $16.98. They also have these platforms from No Boundaries available in wide width, and they're $16.98. And then No Boundaries has these loafer options. So I know these also come in a black and pink. They have that rounded toe, the triangle, $24.98. And then these have that silver chain detail. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Color in the platform kind of mule Uggs from Joy Lab. So they have, or Joy Spun. So these have that rounded toe, this plush faux fur. Then this is genuine suede. They're $18.98. So now they come in the pink. We also saw the beige, and then they brought back these chunkier bottom style. These are also genuine leather. I have them in both colors. They're super comfortable. I love throwing them on in the morning when I'm bringing the kids to school, and they're $16.98.